Hey guys, what's going on? We have a pattern for intermediate students. My name is Hervin.
And I'm Juana.
And we're from Salsa Ninja. Hey, subscribe here to this channel if you want some more salsa dancing tips. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, what's going on? This pattern is called the tornado. Let's jump right into it. Boom! 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to ask for the hand on 5. 5, 6, 7. This is a right travel turn. And girls, pay attention. The elbow when you turn stays down. The hand stays in so you can punch in as you turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it from this angle. 1, 2, 3. Right travel turn again. Asking the hand on 5 for you for the men. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now from there, we're going to put an open break into it. So immediately after the turn, 1, 2, 3, ask for the hand, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put an open break there, and I'm going to go and catch her here. And girls, this step for you, you're bringing your left foot back. You don't usually bring your left foot back, but for this turn it happens. And then on top of that, this arm, when you feel his hand on the lower back, you're going to bring it up and over. And then we're going to pivot 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's see that again from the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right travel, turn, back break, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And from here, we do a crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Back break 6, 7. Back 2. Pivot for us for the men. 5, 6, 7. Leader across 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, guys, so that's the tornado. Let's see it now with music.
Great job for making it all the way to the end of the video.
Awesome job. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, practice that move. Hope you get it. And if you want more salsa tutorials, subscribe here. See you guys soon.